Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush, Rose Gold HX992461. Our best toothbrush ever for the most exceptional clean and complete care. Best-in-class clean removes up to 10x more plaque and improves gum health up to 7x in just 2 weeks in gum health mode versus a manual toothbrush. Brighten your smile with white mode to remove up to 100% more stains in just 3 days versus a manual toothbrush, and personalize your brushing with 3 intensities and 5 modes: clean, white, gum health, DeepClean, and TongueCare. Get the best results with real-time feedback, automated progress report, and automatic mode pairing that syncs your 4 premium brush heads to the optimal brushing mode. Our premium charging travel case lets you store and charge your toothbrush while on the go. Speed up to 62,000 brush movement min. With Amazon Dash replenishment, you can set up automatic deliveries so you never run out of brush heads again. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.